Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Kimmy Baby 21 Tech, your go-to podcast for positivity and tech empowerment. Today, we're diving into the world of VMware automation, an essential toolset for any IT professional looking to save time, reduce manual effort, and achieve greater operational efficiency. Whether you're managing virtual machines, orchestrating complex workflows, or scaling Kubernetes clusters, VMware automation has something for everyone. So let's break it down step by step and demystify the tools and processes. Let's go. Segment 1. What is VMware automation and why does it matter? Automation is a game changer. Imagine if every time you needed a new virtual machine, you didn't have to manually configure resources, storage, and networks. Instead, with just a few clicks, or even automatically, you'd have it ready. That's VMware automation in action. It simplifies repetitive tasks, ensures consistency across deployments, and lets you focus on high-value activities like innovation and optimization. Today, we'll focus on 3 powerful tools within the VMware ecosystem: vRealize Automation, VRA, PowerCLI, and vRealize Orchestrator, VRO. For each, we'll cover what it does, why it's useful, and an example to help you understand its potential. Segment 2, VMware vRealize Automation, VRA. Let's start with vRealize Automation, or VRA for short. VRA is like your IT assistant. It helps you create pre-configured blueprints for deploying infrastructure, applications, and services on demand. Think of it like ordering from a menu. You know exactly what you're getting and how fast you'll get it. Here's how it works. Step 1. Design blueprints. In VRA, you can design blueprints, essentially templates, for virtual machines, networks, or even entire application stacks. These blueprints define everything: the operating system, resource allocation, software, and more. Step 2. Publish to self-service portal. Once your blueprint is ready, you can publish it to a self-service catalog. Your users can select what they need, request it, and boom. VRA handles provisioning automatically. Step 3. Integrate and automate. VRA doesn't work in isolation. You can integrate it with tools like Ansible or Terraform for even more flexibility. Here's an example. Say your development team needs a new test environment every week. Normally, you'd have to set up each VM, allocate storage, configure the network, and install software. With VRA, you just set up a blueprint once. Now, anytime they need an environment, they click a button, and it's done in minutes. Segment 3. VMware PowerCLI. Next up, we have PowerCLI, VMware's scripting tool. If you're familiar with PowerShell, this will feel like second nature. PowerCLI lets you automate everything from creating virtual machines to managing snapshots, network settings, and even storage. Here's a quick example. Let's say you want to create a new VM using PowerCLI. This script does it. Onre connect to vCenter server. Connect vServer, server vcsa mydomain.com. Create a new virtual machine. New VM. Name test VM. Resource pool. Dev pool. Data store 1. Template, base template. In just 3 lines of code, you've created a new virtual machine. Now imagine scaling this across hundreds of VMs. The time savings are incredible. PowerCLI is also great for reporting. Want a list of all your VMs and their status? Here's how. Get a report of all VMs. Get VM, select object name, power state, CPU, memory MB. This outputs a neat list of all your VMs, their power state, and resource usage. Perfect for audits or monitoring. Segment 4. VMware vRealize Orchestrator, VRO. Finally, let's talk about vRealize Orchestrator, or VRO. This is the big gun for complex workflows. Think of VRO as your automation brain. It can take multiple steps and string them together into a seamless process. For example, let's say you want to automate onboarding a new employee. 1. Provision a new VM for their workspace. 2. Assign network permissions. 3. Install required software. 4. Send an email to IT confirming completion. With VRO, you can automate all these steps in one workflow. And the best part? It integrates with third-party tools like ServiceNow, so it can handle requests from ticketing systems too. Workflows in VRO can be created visually, drag and drop, or with JavaScript for more advanced logic. It's a tool that scales as your needs grow. Segment 5, Why VMware Automation Matters. Host, Kimmy. So why should you care about VMware automation? Because it's not just about saving time, it's about driving innovation. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up your team to focus on strategy, growth, and creativity. Here are some key benefits. Consistency. No more human errors or inconsistent deployments. Speed. Deploy resources in minutes, not hours. Scalability. Handle larger workloads without adding staff. Cost savings. Optimize resource usage and reduce manual effort. Segment 6. Call to action. That's it for today's episode, friends. VMware automation is a journey, but the rewards are huge. If you're just starting, explore PowerCLI. It's easy to learn and super powerful. As you grow, VRA and VRO will take you to the next level. If you loved this episode, please subscribe to Kimmy Baby 21 Tech for more tech tips, positivity, and empowerment. Let me know in the comments what automation, tools you're using, or what topics you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, remember, with the right tools, anything is possible. Stay positive, stay motivated, and I'll see you soon.